In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable encryption in Jotform. Now, encryption is a crucial step in ensuring that the data you collect through your forms remains private and secure. So let's dive right in and get this set up in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. It's important to start on the right footing by making sure you're logged into your account, because encryption settings are tied to specific forms within your workspace. After you're logged in, navigate to the form you'd like to encrypt. You'll see a list of your forms, and what you need to do is click on the specific form you have in mind. Once that's done, go ahead and select Edit Form. This will open up the form builder, allowing you to make changes to your form settings. Now that you're in the form builder, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, you're going to look for an option labeled Encrypt Form Data. It's usually quite easy to find, but if you don't see it immediately, just take a moment to scan the page carefully. Once you've located the Encrypt Form Data option, you'll notice a toggle switch right beside it. Click to toggle this switch on. At this point, Jotform is going to ask you to verify your identity. You might be prompted to do this via Google verification or by entering your password. This is a security measure to ensure that it's really you making these changes. After verifying your identity, you simply click on the verify button to confirm that you're ready to move forward. With the verification out of the way, you're almost done. The next step is to provide an access code for your form. Now, this access code acts as a key to the encrypted data, so it's very important. You can enter up to 16 characters for your access code. Choose something that you'll be able to remember, but isn't easily guessable by others. Once you've settled on your access code and entered it, the final step is to click on the Enable Encryption button. This action will activate the encryption feature for your form. You should immediately receive a confirmation message indicating that your form is now encrypted, and there you have it, your form is now set up with encryption, adding an important layer of security to any data collected. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide. Be sure to explore other security features Jotform offers, and keep those forms safe and secure.